welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make baby potato masala. This is a very spicy and delicious side dish that best goes with steamed rice or even with chapatis or dosas. Very quick and an instant recipe, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a pan, into this add 2 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is hot, add 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds and 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds. When they flutter, add 1 onion finely chopped, 1 green chilli chopped and few curry leaves. Give all the ingredients a good mix. Now to this add 1 tomato chopped. Mix it well until the tomato turns mashy. Now let's go ahead and add the spices. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon of chilli powder, 1/2 teaspoon of coriander powder and 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder. Mix it well until the raw flavor of the spices goes off. Today I have 250 grams of baby potato. Peel it and add it to the masala. Mix it well in low flame. Then to this add 2 cups of water and mix it well. Cook for 10 minutes until the potatoes are well done. Now it's nicely boiling. Continue to cook in medium flame. Now the water has reduced. Check if the potatoes are done. If not, add some more water and cook until the potatoes are well done. Now the potatoes are well done, so finally add 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder and mix it well. Now our baby potato masala is perfectly cooked and ready, so off the flame. Now our delicious baby potato masala is ready. Serve it nice and hot with some steamed rice or dosas and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, delicious and a quick recipe. So do try this baby potato masala recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.